Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to play Roblox Bubblegum Simulator. That's new to Roblox. Oopsies. I've done all of it. I've been to the void, that if you know about it. Come on. But I'm gonna show you a trick. Give me something. What should I use? I don't know. Yeah, wait. I'm gonna show you a trick. Wait. Just got a sock. So all you gotta do is this is a small video, so attention. This is a small video. So first you gotta keep this on, and then boop. You gotta roll it around your mouse if you have a laptop. You gotta roll it around 3 times. And I'm not moving. I'm not moving my fingers. You can still move. Like, I'm using both of the keys. So you can't hear the mouse clicking. So that's one thing. And the other one is that this is not like a trick, but all you gotta do is get up to this island, which is, I'm glitching again. Come on. Finally, I got out of Mars. This is the first island that you could get on. It's very easy to get on. So I got these things, the best things that I could get, by just get to this island. You got a chest over here. Okay, this is much better. And then it spawns, and you get I don't know how many money you get, but you get that much money that you could buy the quantum gum, I think. No, that's for Roblox, I think. The ultra gum, I think it's called. Let me check. And you could buy the other flavor. You just passed all of these. You see, I got the Mega Unreal Monster Gum, a Super Gum. I have it's the Ultra Gum. I have the Ultra Gum. I don't know how much it was cost for, but in the flavors, I got this one. I used none Robux, except I got the got the boost, like the jumping boost, so I could jump way higher. I forgive about that. So you just gotta get to that island. You can even see it from the bottom, I think. Yeah, it's right there. Very easy to go to. You just jump high to the clouds. Like, you see my yellow arrow? You go there, and then there. And then you just get all the things in the game. No problem. So you don't gotta get all the other gums for like no reason. Like, and I'm gonna show you all the dimensions. If you don't want to, you could pause the video right here, and then you could skip to the intro. Or this is the first island. So this is the first time where you get that chest. My chest is here. You get 200,000, and then that is the floating island. This is the space island, and then after that comes, I've discovered all of these, so I can't make a video on these. So I will make there's a new game called Billionaire Simulator. Just telling you, I'm gonna make a video on it whenever I could. I think next Friday, because I can't use that computer for a long time. So this is the I don't know what's it called, but I call it the Alien Island. And this is the Sky Islands. This is where you get another chest that gives you a lot of gems. And the last one is the Void. And here you get Imagination chest. So, and this is where you can buy the Void Shard egg, and that's why I have right here the Void bat. And only I don't have the GoPro. That's why I'm so laggy and my voice is laggy. So I don't know when I'm gonna buy it. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. That's what I don't do. Make sure to leave a like. I don't know, some are not watching, some are do. Okay, I will go back to the end. Okay, make sure to leave me a like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure to check out the other video that I will make in a week if I could. And subscribe more so I could get more subscribers and make more videos, and I could get the GoPro because of $15. So if you subscribe, if you're watching on TV, I know it's hard to do. You need to go there, then you need to press more options, and then you need to press subscribe. If you're watching on TV, it's okay, but if you're on the phone, you're just gonna exit out full screen. So when you go down, there is a subscribe button right there, and I don't know if I want a like on this video. You can. If you don't want to leave a like, you can, but if you want to, you can. There's no problem, and nobody's stopping you from it. If someone is, I don't know what to do. So make sure to leave a like, maybe, and subscribe to the channel. Maybe subscribe to other people's channel, like another channel called House YouTube Collection. Make sure to subscribe to her channel. She's almost to 400 subscribers, I think. So subscribe on this video too, and I will see you guys in the next billionaire simulator. Bye. Actually, I say bye, but today I'm not saying bye. Well, usually bye.